In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up business hours in Salesforce and explain why it's important. Whether you're an experienced Salesforce admin or just starting out, understanding how to configure business hours is essential for smooth operations. Let's begin by discussing why setting up business hours in Salesforce is crucial. These defined hours let your organization establish when your support team is available to assist customers. It's not just about logging hours, it affects how Salesforce processes and operates with other features. Business hours play a key role in functionalities like case escalation rules, milestones, and entitlement processes. These configurations ensure that your cases and service level agreements, or SLAs, are tracked based on actual working hours rather than just the clock time. This helps in providing accurate service guarantees to your clients and improving the efficiency and accountability of your support team. Now, let's dive into the steps for setting up business hours. First, you'll need to log into Salesforce. Once logged in, look towards the top right corner of your screen for the gear icon, which represents the Setup menu. Click on it and open the Advanced Setup. This is your control center for various customizations in Salesforce. Next, in the Quick Find box, type Business Hours. Once it appears in the drop-down list, click on it to proceed. You'll see the option for New Business Hours, which you should click to set up a new schedule. Here, you'll enter specific details for your business hours. Start by naming them appropriately. For instance, if this schedule is for your support team, you could call it Support Team Hours. This name will help you easily identify these hours in various settings. Following the name, choose the default time zone that aligns with your business operations. This ensures that any timing calculations or scheduling is based on the correct geographic time. Furthermore, you'll have an option to set these hours as the default. If this schedule should be the primary one for your organization, make sure to select this option. It's critical to accurately define your working days and hours. Typically, you might configure it from Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m., but tailor this to match your business needs. Being precise with this information is vital for seamless and consistent service delivery. After filling in all the necessary details, click Save. This step confirms your changes and sets up the business hours within Salesforce. Remember, setting proper business hours is foundational to optimizing your Salesforce workflow and ensuring your support team can meet customer expectations reliably. And that's it. You've successfully set up business hours in Salesforce. By configuring it correctly, you ensure that your organization's support is both efficient and aligned with real-world expectations, enhancing your overall service quality. Thank you for joining, and feel free to check out more tips in our next session.